Yeah, I was gonna go, but I'm not going to. Looks like maybe after this van got an opening. After the van, if the skies slow down just a smidgen. Not asking for him to stop. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, just entered Summerland Key on the North Biking Trail. Testing my GoPro video. 4K, 25 frames per second on my 28-inch Pedego Step-Through City Commuter 48-volt e-bike. We're cruising. Just taking some short clips, enjoying the day. I don't normally go this fast, but I'm out by myself today. And I know the paths well, so why not? It's a nice breeze. That's another thing I'm trying is my wind reduction and video stabilization. This is the GoPro Hero8 attached to my Pedego bike. SS Minnow was left there. Where this bike trail crosses the street on the same side of the overseas highway, you have a choice. You can go to the left and go up a couple miles on Niles Road, where there is a kayak launch ramp and a hiking trail. I'm not going that way today, just because I went the other way for a change. That sign says State Road 4A, so I guess that was the old State Road 4A. This is Summerland Key, and if you continue north on US1 or the overseas highway, you get to encounter the first tall bridge right here. I've ridden over it before, but I don't really like to do it. It just doesn't do anything for me, so I generally stay on this side of it. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video because I am going to cross the street again.